Welcome to Turret point of sale system. We are going to show you right now how we are going to propose to the system for preparing some kind of promotion proposal. There are two parts of the activities in the system. One part is the proposal, the other part is the approval process of that proposal. None of the proposal can be used until it's been approved by the right authority. So let's see how we are going to do that. For example, sitting on the retail office, I might go for a proposal for a promotion of few articles. Let's see the menu here. There is a specific menu for a specific user, and in this area I just am going to show you the menu for promotion proposal. You see, when I click on this menu, I can see a empty space which is going to be filled with some information, while we can see existing promotion proposals if there is any, or you can create any new promotion proposal. Let's create a new one so that we can see the whole process. The step-by-step process is like you prepare a promotion first as a proposal, and you can do any kind of edit, you can delete it forever, and when you're ready with that, you can just wait for the approval authority to do the approval process. This can be done tangibly in front of people, or intangibly through email or other communication, or totally through the system. So let's see how we are going to create a proposal. I press the create button and the screen is showing promotion code, promotion title, promotion description, promotion type code, form date and to date. Let's put a promotion code. This promotion code is the exact promotion official number of reference and the name or anything that is related to the company. So let's put a promotion name, something like code like 2018 Bata Vietnam Bata VN 0001. Let's say I put a promotion title here. The title can be something like Christmas promotion, let's say. And I can come up with a specific description. Let's put a description that this promotion is prepared for reducing age stock maybe by 70%. Let's say this is our plan that using this promotion we are going to reduce the inventory that is old by 70%. Promotion type code is some sort of indication or grouping of promotion. Here, for example, I put it as a reduction promotion. Let's make it temporary reduction. And it's going to be executed from a specific date to a specific date. The system can take care of the date issue. If you put a date beyond today, the system can tell you. If the from date and to date are not matching with each other, for example, if the from date is higher than the to date, the system can do the validation in this press. So all these kind of things are being validated by the system eventually to avoid any kind of mistakes that can be happened by the promotion proposers. So let's put some articles in this promotion. I put some simple article, and there is one thing that the user can have a choice of promotion type that can be used in this purpose. For example, promotion by percentage, it can be reduction, promotion to reduced to a specific price, or reduced by a specific amount. Let's say I want to give this promotion for this article 30%. reduction, system automatically know the price of the article and it comes up with a 30% proposal. Let's say I put another article. By the way, usually we never do multiple percentages in the same promotion, but the system allows you to do even multiple percentage as well as multiple figure as well as multiple amounts reduced by. So let's put another article. And I make it 30% discount. So these two articles, which are of different category and different subcats and from different price point, both of them are, let's say, reduced by 30%, and it is okay with us. We can see immediately how many pairs of stock we are carrying for each of the article, and what is the tentative price, and what will be the difference of the new price versus the existing price. So this is the total loss that is going to be incurred using this promotion if it can happen 100% successfully. So let's save the promotion proposal. You see one thing, when we save a promotion proposal, it doesn't have any remark. That means it's a brand new promotion, nobody touched it. In this stage, we have the right to do the deleting, do the editing if you want. For example, you can click on that and go to the editing panel. We can do any kind of addition. For example, if you want to delete one of the articles from this promotion list, we can do. If you want to add one more article, that also we can do. So this is how we do the proposal, and that's what the retail users are going to do. Now we need to log in as a different user to get the visibility of promotion list that needs to be approved. So let's see, I'm the same user I have. My name is Rizal Karim. Here I have the right to see the promotion. I also have the right to approve the promotion. So let's see, I created this promotion proposal sitting on a different user panel, and this promotion proposal is something like, if I click on that, I can see the detail inside this promotion. Here I can see these are the two articles where these are the total loss we are trying to incur. Still we want to sell it. This is the let's say more or less the summary recapitulation of the promotion, and this is the page that can be approved by certain authority, or this is the place where we can electronically approve a promotion. Before approving a promotion, we have the right to reject it with certain remarks, so that we can do, or we can approve it. Let's reject it for the time being. Rejected because of high risk of profitability. So let's say I reject it. Once it has been rejected, the user who created the promotion, he or she can see that this promotion has a remarks saying rejected because of high risk of profitability. So this guy can do edition of this promotion. He can edit it still now. He can still do some amendment in this promotion, or he can just leave it as it is. The approval authority by this time can do some communication with them, come up with a proper reasoning why they want to keep that promotion happening. Once they're agreed with that, they can go inside the promotion and they can eventually approve the promotion. And once the promotion has been approved, the system becomes a standby to execute this new price list from the day the promotion starts till the day the promotion will be at its ending stage. So this is how we are going to do the promotion. And you see, once things are approved, there is a list coming to the approval authority where only the approved promotions are visible. So let's say this is the one that we created. We cannot do any amendment here, but we can see the details of the promotion, and we can even take printout as and when needed. That's all for now, and thank you very much for being with us. Bye-bye.